Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. In this video I will explain another killer setup SR flip. Support and resistant flip. What happened actually in this SR flip and why it is the best manipulation. Let's say we have a SR flip right here. Price goes down and make 2 resistant and 2 or 3 support. The first thing before price goes down, big traders will manipulate the price. We have 2 resistant right here, but before the price drop, it will goes up and take out those stop loss who sells on R1 and R2. So the manipulation happens, or I called it fake out. Right at the bottom we have 3 support. S1, S2, S3. On S1, S2, S3 there are lots of retail traders who will buy. Those who buy it support, their stop loss is below the support. And stop loss is equal to sell stop. As for breakout trader, when they see S1, S2, S3 break they will sell instant but the price. So what happened after this? As the usual, big trader or big banks will start push price. Those who sell instant will trigger their stop loss. And now we have our SR flip right here. R1 and R2. At this level we have R1, R2, but the price didn't do fake out, it dropped instantly. When the price come back, many retail traders will sell right here, because we have R1 and R2 double top. At this price, big trader will do another fake out, R3. Price drop down a bit and flies back up. When retail traders sell at R3, their stop loss is above the resistant, which is buy stop. And the price shoots up and goes down again. We have an example here live on chart. We have a supply zone with a significant drop. And we have our SR flip right here. And a fake out right here. The price break up and comes back down. At this level we have 2 resistant in a same row. And we have a drop, base drop. We can sell at our SSR line. We have another setup right here, RS flip. Resistant becomes support flip. And a rally, base rally. When the price come back, SNR traders will buy at support, but it has become a fake out. The prices drops down, eating by order stop loss and shoot up. This is how manipulation made. Please share this video to your friend and subscribe to this channel, and I will explain more about how the market works and how big bank trades.